and you're a content creator. Now you have a niche, you find a niche. Now you might have an Instagram following. Do you already have an Instagram following or a TikTok following or a YouTube following in a certain niche? Whether, let's say it's pets, we're going to stick with pets. So you have a pets niche and you have a pets channel where let's say you do puppy videos and puppy pictures on your Instagram, right? And every once in a while you put a picture up of a something for sale, right? That's affiliate marketing, by the way. Those people that are clicking your links and checking out your stuff for sale, they come by and they're gone, right? They're gone. The average person does not buy on the first exposure to something. So when you see something the first time, your instinct isn't to buy. It takes like 5 to 7 times before someone pulls the trigger and buys something. Okay. So you want to get them on an email list so you can send them emails and retarget them and send them emails and remind them about the product. And we're going to go through that in a little while. So what happens is you're losing these people. They click on your links. They click on your post, your social media post. They click on your videos and they watch your videos, and you lose them. You lose the customer. So you only give them one exposure and you never see them again, right? A small percentage of people will buy. So, it's always going to be like 1 to 2% conversion rate, basically. So, you're going to convert at 1 to 2%, and then the rest of them will disappear. They disappear, right? Okay. So you got your traffic sources over here, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or even Google, organic Google, or you can even do ads, but you have what's called a lead capture page. That's a website that you're going to give away something, a lead capture. You're going to give away something for free. Could be a checklist. We're going to go through what it could be, and they're going to put their email in there, right? So like when you put your ad or your post, and it says, click this product for this puppy thing, and they click, there's going to be an email thing for them to click and add their email to join the list. Then they go to the sales page for the thing that they clicked on. So now you have their email. They go onto the email list. And then you're going to be able to send them a value email, a sales email, a value email, and then the sales email. Then you're going to convert and make a sale. Certain percentage of people are going to convert here, maybe another 7%, 5%, right? Then you send value, sale, value, sale, and then you make another sale, another 7%. These are sales that you would have never gotten had you not had an email list. Okay. So, and you're sending value. So we were in the puppy niche. So you're going to send value, a puppy video, or, how to train your puppy or whatever. And give value. And then a sales thing you can give. The sales thing could be something like a toy or the next pee pad or the next shampoo or whatever it is. And then you go value, with stuff in the niche, showing, because this way, these people want to open your emails. Okay, you're sending them value and they want to open your emails. And every once in a while, you're going to pitch them an item and you're going to sell to them, right? And it goes on forever. Okay, you have them on your email list for life, as long as you don't abuse it and as long as you're not sending them stuff they don't want to see, stuff that's not in the niche. Getting back to the email list. So you can see now you're building a following, right? So now you have an email list of a following of people who are following you in whatever niche it is. Now we're talking pets. So you have, and as that email list grows, you become an influencer. You can influence that audience in a certain direction. You can get them to buy products. A certain percentage of them will convert to buy products. A certain percentage of them will buy courses from you. A certain percentage of them will eat up any content you put out. Okay. And that's what happens when you become an influencer, right? So, and you cultivate with an email list. Now, number one reason you want an email list that I totally forgot to tell you at the beginning is you don't own the Amazon channel. I'm on Amazon, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Facebook groups, and I'm live in all those places. I'm using Restream. Restream's a great software to use to live stream for them. And I'm going live at the same time in all these places. But I don't own any of the stuff on there. They can kick me off at any time. They can decide I violated the terms of service or community guidelines, and you could be gone like that. That sounds better, right? You could be gone like that. So, and then you have no recourse. You've lost your audience. You have no way to contact them. But if you have an email list, you can contact them and bring them wherever you want. You have an email list. You have a website. You have control of your audience. Okay. Now, I'm not saying don't use these other platforms. Build your audience, use them, but don't rely on them because you can lose it at any time. They can change the rules at any time. right? And things change. One day you could be making money on this platform. They change the rules, they change the algorithm, and then boom, you're out of luck. You're back to square one. All right. So, you can't put all your eggs in one basket. That's another thing. Your multiple streams of income is what you really want to do when you're making money online, right? What is a lead magnet? Okay. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, good. So something of value to give away in order to get their email address. So it could be an ebook. Ebooks were a big rage a little while ago, a year or so ago, where there was all kinds of ebooks, weight loss, you name it, how to train your dog, get your dog to stop barking, how to get your dog to do pee-pee, whatever your niche is, there was an ebook about it. And, a checklist, there's a checklist like for YouTube, a checklist of what you're going to do before you upload a video. There's a checklist. You can download it, the checklist. Trial period, that's a big one. Trial period, you get a free trial. Newsletters in an industry where information is always happening. You want to keep up to date on information. Free reviews and consults, like a free review people do on YouTube. A lot of times where they'll review people's channels for free. Stuff like that. Webinars or like little commercials for products. Case studies are good. So there's a case study that came out a little while ago about being an influencer, and that influencers are going to be the number one fastest growing small business in the United States in 2022. So being a content creator, being an influencer. So that's a case study that you can use as a lead magnet. People want to know about that stuff, right? Or, a template for something, a template could be like on the live stream, the stuff that I have coming up. And I'll go through a couple of them, overlays and graphics and stuff like that people can buy and have templates of. Free course. If you have a free course, I have a free course on affiliate marketing. I can get you that if you want. I have a lead magnet for a free course, which is like a 5-video course on affiliate marketing. It takes about an hour to go through each video, is like 10 minutes or so. And, so I have a free course lead magnet to get people in, and they give their email address and they get the course. Or a free download for something, could be anything, could be a software, could be a, whatever, it could be anything. A free download could be anything. So these are lead magnets. These are things of value that you can give away for free. There are sites that you can go and get these things, and some products that you promote will have their own lead magnets for you that you can use. If you go to youdidn'tknow.live, now, if I share my screen, I'm going to go to youdidn'tknow.live. This is now I have a software that I use called Builderall. I'm also an affiliate for it. You can get a free trial for it to build your own web pages, your own landing pages, and start your email marketing and all that kind of stuff. And if you go to youdidn'tknow.live, you can find that stuff. You can find the 14-day free trial for it. So this is my site, youdidn'tknow.live. Amazon Live, never miss a live stream. Now that's the lead magnet, never miss a live stream. So they put their email address in here. And then whenever I go live, I'm going to send an email letting them know I'm going live when I'm going live. So if you want to know, that's the lead magnet. Maybe it's not the greatest lead magnet, but the people that are interested, it's valuable to them. So that's depending on your niche. That's what you got to find, the lead magnet that's valuable to the people in your niche, right? And when they sign up, it's going to start a whole system of automatic email marketing that happens. Like I showed you, you get the value sale, value sale, value, and then you make a sale, right? Now, I built this website. It's got a watch now button so they can go right to my lives, my Amazon lives. They got a button so they can go right to my Amazon page and shop on my store, my YouTube channel, subscribe on YouTube if you want to subscribe to me, the 14-day to build the world that I was telling you about. And then another newsletter down here. This will put you on my mailing list for Builderall, for being an affiliate marketing and learning about affiliate marketing and using Builderall software. So, I mean, this is a landing page. I made this pretty quickly. I mean, it's not the greatest, not the fanciest. I could make it better, but I made it. I didn't have to pay someone $500 for it. I used Builderall. There's free training on it. Anybody can learn this stuff. It's not scary. If you want to be an influencer, if you want to be part of the creator economy, the fastest growing business model in the United States in 2022 is going to be content creator, is going to be an influencer. And once you have that audience, and a lot of you already have a following on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, right? Now you want to monetize that and make some money. Get their email addresses and start marketing to them products. Okay, give them value, so you can send them your posts, your emails, your videos, and then every third one send a sales page. or a link for an item, and we can go in deeper and like that. And if you go to my YouTube channel, I have so many more videos on stuff like that. Well, you capture their email, and it goes into what's called an email list. And then once they're in the email list, it triggers automatically. You set up these emails that they go out automatically. So it's passive income. You don't do anything. You set this up once. You set up, let's say a month's worth of emails where they get an email every 3 days or so. And when they sign up to the email list, it triggers the autoresponder, and they start getting those emails spaced out in those days. Okay. You don't have to do anything else. It's amazing. It's passive income while you're sleeping, right? Making money while you sleep. That's what it is. Okay. Capturing their emails and retargeting them and putting them into an email autoresponder into that sales funnel mentality, right? People don't like to get emails. It's a common perception that I get too many emails. I hate them. That they're spam. They're not really spam because you signed up for it. You signed up for it somewhere. You put your email address in to get these emails. But I'm positive that you have an email that you're happy to get every month or every week, that you're happy to open and read. Either it's a newsletter or it's something in something that you're interested in, and you're happy to get it. And every once in a while, they probably send you something, an item that you could buy that's interesting, that you go, hey, that's cool. That would work in I need that, right? And I'm sure that you have that, and you don't even realize that you're in that. So it's not that emails are bad and that email marketing doesn't work. It's that people who aren't interested in these emails get them. So they're not interested in them. So you have to find out, to scrub your list, find out who's interested in your content. When the people that you don't, you got to find out the people who need what you're selling. Okay. Right. It's like, what do they say? Selling ice to Eskimos. Right. So the Eskimos don't need the freaking ice. Right? So don't try to sell him ice, right? I mean, I know that's like a term to say he's a good salesman. He's like, he can sell ice to Eskimos, but they don't need the damn ice. So that's what I'm saying. You got to find the right audience, the right product for the right audience, and give it to them, and that's what you're going to do, right? And then you want to retarget them with email marketing, because you're leaving a lot of money on the table. What's a scrubbed list? Like I started saying, if they don't open your content for 5 to 10 emails, you take them off the list. You scrub it, take them off, because they're not interested in your content. So why send them anything else? If somebody opens your stuff, now I'm not saying they buy anything from you, but if they open your stuff, eventually they may buy. They're interested. So you leave them on your email list. And a good scrubbed email list is worth $1 a month per email. So you have 100 emails, that's $100 a month. You have 1,000, that's $1,000 a month. These email lists build up 10,000. That's not unheard of, right? 100,000 in certain, in your niche, right? And crazy amounts of money that you left on the table if you don't have an email list, scrubbed email list. And don't listen to people that tell you email marketing is dead, because it's just not. The way they do it, it's dead, because they're spamming people that aren't interested. Don't spam people. Okay. Don't spam people. You can't sell. People aren't going to buy when you spam them. They don't want that stuff. They don't want it. They're not interested. Right. So you find people that are interested in your content. Those are the people you want to go to, right? The people that are interested in what you have to say are the people you're going to go to. So you got the traffic sources over here. They go to that lead capture page that I showed you, my You Didn't Know page, where the lead capture, like my lead capture was, don't miss a stream. I'm going to email you whenever I go live. Okay. And that might be valuable to some people. It might not, but it's going to be valuable to the people I'm trying to attract. Okay. Remember, it's a niche audience. So it may not be appealing to you, but I only want the people that it's appealing to click the link. Okay. Because I only want targeted traffic. So once they go here, they put their email address in. When they click it to go further, they go to the sales page to buy whatever it is they were going to buy. Okay. In the meantime, their email goes on the list. You have it for life, and it automatically starts the email autoresponder sequence, where these go out every 1 day, every 2 days, every 3 days, depending on your niche. You decide. Okay. And Builderall has a software for this. This all happens automatically. And then they go to the thank you page, and etc. Over here, this goes on for their lifetime. As long as you don't abuse it, you can sell to them for the rest of their lives. Give away a free lead magnet. Find out other offers in your niche, because you can add other sales items. Okay. and you can always resell stuff and put the same stuff out because new people will buy it. Okay, and the scrub the list for the best results. All right, so that is it in a nutshell. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have plenty of videos on there on how to build, how to use niche websites, how to build email marketing, how to build make a lead magnet, create a lead magnet that converts. All of that stuff I have on the YouTube channel.